everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going winter hiking and I decided I would take you along with me. It's currently 7:33 a.m. and it's minus 13, but it does actually feel quite warm, so I'm hoping by the time I get to my destination it'll be a little bit warmer and the hike shouldn't be too hard weather-wise. So if you want to see this winter hike, just keep watching. So it's 8:50, it's now gone up by 3 degrees, so it's minus 10. I've just arrived at the parking lot and I'm going to sit for a little while and let my feet warm up because they're absolutely freezing, and then I'm going to get started on the trail. So this hike today is supposed to be really easy. It's an ice walk, so I have my poles and crampons. The trail is called GROTTO Canyon and it's outside Canmore. It's kind of before Canmore, so it only takes about an hour from Calgary. Yeah, it's supposed to be quite easy, which is why I chose to do it today, because I'm not much of a hiker. I just realised I forgot to bring my snacks. Okay. Just got all dressed and kitted out, got my hat on, my neck warmer, my big jacket and some crampons. Also going to take some poles. So this is the trail car park. The view is already insane, so I'm pretty excited. This is my favourite thing about the outdoor life. Just love a long drop toilet. So I just went to the toilet and I was like, what is that pain in my side? And it was my bra. The wire had popped out, so I just had to whip it out. So now I'm starting off the trail with lopsided boobies. So this is the trail I'm doing today, Grotto Creek Trail. It's about 7 kilometers, so it's not a long one. Should be quite easy. So this is just the beginning of the trail. Already amazing views. It's so cold it's really hard to breathe, which for someone like me who's not particularly fit anyway, not the best, but it is my goal this year to become fit again. So we move. I can hear more really noisy people behind me. I think I have a problem because anytime I'm out like hiking or chilling, I'm like, why are you laughing? Why are you shouting? Why are you playing music? Like, just shut up. But I think I have come to realize that I'm the problem. I just love peace. Like, I just love peace. This is a bit of a challenge, I have to say, because like that doesn't look like that high, but I'm only 5'3", so we're gonna try to get up there. set out to do, so I'm going to head back now, and I think maybe stop in Camel for some lunch. Obviously you can't eat in anywhere, but I'm starving. Taking a video walking through the forest, and I feel like if I speed it up then you're going to think I'm Edward Cullen, because it actually feels like I'm in Twilight. Like, you'll think I am Edward flying through the forest. So let's see. I'm back at the car. I just finished the hike. I didn't take much footage on the way down because it got so windy and so cold all of a sudden. Now I was just absolutely freezing, so even with like 3 layers on top and 2 layers on bottom, it was cold. And it's actually gone up from -10 to -4, but it felt more cold on the way down. So I stopped off in Canmore, got some Tim's. I had to change my order, but I did get some wedges. Yum. Breakfast muffin. Oh wow! That's kind of cool. Honey dip. So good. I just love the sound of opening a Diet Coke. I can't believe it says Lynn on it. Anyway, this is the end of my video. I've had a really fun morning and I'm about to head back to Calgary. So, nice reflections. So thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will make a new one soon. Ta-ra!